In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you need to review a document, leave feedback, or point out something specific for someone else to check, adding comments is one of the easiest and most useful tools in Adobe Acrobat Pro. It helps you keep your notes directly attached to the PDF, which makes collaboration much clearer than sending separate messages or edits. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat Pro and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already open on your screen. Before you add anything, it's a good idea to quickly scroll to the page you want to review, so you know exactly where your comment needs to go. That can save time, especially if you're working with a longer file. Once your PDF is open, look over to the left-hand vertical column in Acrobat. There, click on the comment icon. This opens the commenting tools and gives you access to options for leaving feedback directly inside the document. If you don't immediately recognize the icon, just look for the tool associated with comments or notes. After that, click on Add a Comment. This activates the comment feature so you can place a note exactly where you want it in the PDF. This is useful because your comment can be tied to a specific section, sentence, or visual element, which makes it much easier for the reader to understand what your feedback refers to. Now click on the area of the PDF where you want your comment to appear. Try to place it as close as possible to the relevant text or item. That way, anyone reviewing the file can instantly connect your note with the part of the document you're talking about. Once the comment box appears, type your message into the comment field. Keep your wording clear and specific so your feedback is easy to understand. For example, if you're suggesting a correction or asking for clarification, being direct will make the comment more helpful. When you finish typing, click Post. That publishes your comments into the PDF so it becomes part of the document's review trail. After posting, you should be able to see your comment marker in the file, confirming that it has been added successfully. And that's it. You've now added a comment to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is a simple but powerful feature for document review, approvals, and team collaboration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.